All right, we are at a church today, and one of my employees here, Chayton, is knocking out a bunch of this carpet with the zipper tool, and this is half done, but he's going across here, that's spraying water down, sucking it up, and making a dry pass all in one pass. And that is steam coming out of there. We're using a truck mounted unit. It's outside. And getting this all cleaned up. Hi, Chayton. And yeah, look at the difference. So right now you see this little bit of unevenness, but once he makes another dry pass on there, it'll be real even like this is. And over here you can see where it's nice and clean, even looking. There is a burn up here from somebody dragging a table on the edge and burnt the carpet. But yeah, that's what we are up to, getting this all cleaned up. So right now we're running about 150 feet of hose. Now I'll go ahead and follow this. I'll show you guys. Here's one of our wands. That's the cleaner. Go down here. And then we have a door kit up right now. So I'll just leave that intact. But out there is our truck. And we got the truck mounted unit has a 100-gallon freshwater tank, 100-gallon wastewater tank, and it can run year-round in cold temperatures. In fact, it's snowing right now. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but we just got all this snow last night, and we're still able to clean. That truck will be about 90 degrees on the inside the whole time, so it'll be thawed off, good to go. But yeah. And the dirty water comes in the back, goes through a big filter, gets sucked into the waste tank, which is that big tall tank right there. And then on the side here, that's all machine. It takes up about the width of my finger in the van. It's a lot of machine in there. But when you clean a lot of carpet, you need a lot of machine. So today we aren't dual wanding just because this isn't a huge job, but that machine can actually run 2 tools at the same time. Supposedly up to 400 feet, but so far we haven't had to ever run that much hose. We've run 2 tools at 300 feet before, and that worked great. But yeah, but this tool that we're using here, that tool requires a lot of CFM, and we're actually only running the machine on medium because it's kind of overkill for that, but it keeps the heat up so that we get 230, 240 degrees coming out of that tool continuously. So that's what we are up to. I hope you guys all have a great day, and stay warm, and I'll see you soon.